How's it going, Monday peeps? We are here starting another week off here with our fitness. I hope to see y'all online. Just as a reminder, we do have a trivia night this week coming up on Thursday. So join us on Zoom. Check the announcements up there for any gym related activities, okay? Check email, check the newsletter, check with your neighbor. Make sure they're okay. All right, so let's get into today's warm-up. All right, 2 rounds, 30 seconds, run, jumping jacks, really any cardio movement that you got going on there. Then alternating step-ups or reverse lunges. Okay, so if you have a box at home, do alternating step-ups. If you don't have a box, and you're gonna just do reverse lunges, okay? Into 5 double dumbbell deadlifts or a backpack. So you're gonna hold a dumbbell in each hand and do these deadlifts. If you have only a kettlebell at home, that's okay. You can use 1 kettlebell for this. 5 double hang muscle snatches. So this is a challenging movement right here. So if you have 2 dumbbells, go light here and you're gonna snatch up overhead. You'll see that in the movement demos. But if you can't do that, what you can do is an alternating swing. A double swing, so you can get both hands here, swing it all the way back, and just swing it up overhead as comfortable or as high as you feel going, okay? Then we're going into 10 up downs to finish this warm-up, so 2 rounds through here, okay? Take this easy. If you want to take a break in between each movement, that's fine. We're just trying to get ourselves moving. If you're doing this on your own, not in a Zoom class, feel free to stretch right after this if you feel that anything's tight. Okay, let's get into our workout today. And our workout, it's an interesting one today. Let's take a look. So we have every minute on the minute for 8 minutes, okay? 100-meter run or 30 seconds of high knees or shuttle sprints. So you can make these into small shuttle sprints if you don't want to head on out onto the road to do a 100-meter run. It's pretty short, right? 15 tuck jumps on minute 2, and then you're going to alternate, bounce back and forth between these two for 8 minutes. Then you're going to get a 2-minute break, just 2 minutes, okay? And then we're going into an 8-minute snatches and burpees, okay? Now, if you can't do the snatches, you can make them into cleans. If you can't do the cleans, you can make them into deadlifts. That's fine. And then burpees, these can also be scaled to up downs, all right, or just a plank hold if you can't do those, okay? So we're going bouncing back between those. There's no measure. We're not taking score today, but you should be checking into Wodify to make sure that we know that you're working out and you're doing your best out there, okay? We love to know that everybody's participating in the workouts and that what we're doing is effective for you, okay? So please give us feedback on these workouts. Make sure that they're working for you, okay? So this is good. Now, if you don't have a timer for every minute on the minute, you could just set, just do, 8 minutes. This is essentially 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. It's 8 minutes, about 8 rounds, okay, with a break in between, okay? Let's see if there's a finisher today. All right, we're here. We have a finisher, and it is a good one. 2 to 3 sets of dumbbell or backpack hollow flutter kicks. We did these last week. It's just holding on to a dumbbell and doing flutter kicks or kettlebell. That's fine. Superman swimmer kicks. These are new. These are pretty much the same thing, just flipping over onto your belly, arms and chest off the ground, moving your feet, so you're just laying on your belly for this, okay? Rest 1 minute between your sets, and then repeat 2 to 3 rounds, and you're done, okay? So that is all we've got for today. Stay tuned for movement demos.